one, rush.
Little bit of action to begin the autonomous period. 2 red robots grabbing containers and moving towards the auto zone. All 3 blue robots moving towards the auto zone. Remember, all 3 robots must be completely contained within that zone to earn points. No points awarded by our referees in the autonomous period, but the drivers are now at the controls, and 2 minutes and 15 seconds of action to come. 42:05, the Robo-Cubs, captains on the Blue Alliance, holding on to that container with litter. They're going to look for some totes to put it on, and 49:18, the Roboctopi, happy to oblige. They've got 3 great totes already and are searching for more. On the red side of the field, we see 46:83, Full Metal with a littered up recycling container. Sonic Squirrels match that, and everybody's off in search of totes. The Sea Monsters, captains of your Red Alliance, dropping 2 totes off for Full Metal. Looks like some teamwork here. Full Metal going to cap that stack and maybe push it onto the scoring platform. 90 seconds now to go. The Robo-Cubs using that slide mechanism to drop gray totes on the field, while the 3rd member of that alliance, Higher Voltage, is now 4 high with their stack of gray. Robo-Cubs pushing 3 gray totes and a container towards the scoring platform, while the Roboctopi look to cap the stack of 4 they created earlier and keep the scoring high for blue. Red Alliance looking at a stack of 2 gray totes in a container sitting on the carpet as 49:18 loses control of their container. They'll still have almost a minute to pick up that mess. Sonic Squirrels for Red holding on to 3 gray totes and a container. They're going to try to put those in place. The Red Alliance needs to move that small stack onto the scoring platform to capitalize on those points. 40 seconds now remaining as Higher Voltage looks to cap the stack that 49:18 was trying to cap earlier. They've done so, tripling the value of that gray tote stack. Robo-Cubs coming in with 2 gray totes for blue. Sonic Squirrels just dropped off 3 in a container for red. The Sea Monsters, they've got 2 gray totes in the container in the air, and they drop that on top of 2 existing gray totes, really increasing the value of that stack as the whistle sounds for 20, now 15 seconds. 49:18 grabbing a container off the step, but losing control. We'll see if they can pick that back up in the last 7, now 6 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And some furious last-minute scoring on the blue side of the field. We'll clean up the mess and let you know who scored what right after this. Very close scores in quarterfinal match number 2. Remember, not a head-to-head scenario, but nevertheless, the Blue Alliance puts up 96 points. The Red Alliance tops that by 1 with 97, and that will be good enough to sneak both those alliances in between the number 4 and 5 alliances from our previous match. 6 more quarterfinal matches to go before we find out who moves on.